To automate our task in Excel, we use macros or we use VBA codes. But in today's video, we are not going to use macros or VBA codes. We will be using inbuilt feature of Excel, and that is called Automate. Automate is a tab just like Home, Insert, Formulas, Data or View. This is our Automate tab. In case you are not able to see Automate tab, go on top, click on three dots. Come to the bottom and click on More Commands. In More Commands, we get two options, Ribbon and Quick Access Toolbar. We have to go in Ribbon. And on the right hand side, we are able to see all the tabs. Here is one tab by the name of Automate. In case it's unchecked in your system, just check this. Come to the bottom and click on Save. And your Automate tab will be visible. Automate tab is available in updated versions of Excel or in Excel 365. Let's see the very first example, and that is freeze selection. I have to freeze my headers, so I'll select all the headers. We'll go to Automate tab. We'll come to left hand side and we'll click on All Scripts. On the right hand side, new window will open. Over here we get three options, Recent, This Workbook and Samples. The window or the pane which is on right hand side is movable. Let's place this on top. When I'll increase the size, we can see more options. Now I'll go on top. Over here we get the option of freeze selection. I'll click over here. We get two options, Run and Edit. I'll click on Run and my panes got freezed. Let's close this. When I'll come down, our headers are not moving. Let's go on top. To unfreeze the selection, you'll have to go in View tab, come to right hand side, Freeze Panes, and from here select Unfreeze Panes. Let's go on top. Let's come to left hand side, and our selection got unfreezed. Let's move to next example. Highlight blank cells. Let's select the whole data. I'll click anywhere inside my data and will press Ctrl A or Command A. Whole data will be selected. Now I'll go to Automate tab. We'll come to the left, All Scripts. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on Samples. Let's take this on top. Let's increase the size. We are not able to see highlight blank cells. Let's come down and over here we get the option of highlight blank cells. I'll click over here on Run and all the blank cells got highlighted. My highlights are in red and I want to change the color. I'll click over here and we'll go to Edit. We'll come down. Over here we can see red and this is the cell color. I'll remove red and we'll put yellow. We'll go on top and we'll click on Run. Colors got changed. Let's remove yellow and let's put green. Let's go on top and let's click on Run. And the color of blank cells got changed. Let's close this and let's move to next example. Remove duplicates. Over here I have got my sales data and most of the data is repeated. Means I have got lots of duplicate values over here. Let's select the whole data. Let's go to Automate. Let's come to left, All Scripts. We'll come to right hand side, Samples. Let's place this on top. Let's increase the size. Let's come down and over here we get the option of Remove Duplicates. I'll click over here, means I'll click on Run. And on the left hand side, all the duplicate values got removed. Let's move to next example. Remove hyperlinks. This is my employee data. And on the right hand side, we have got websites. When I'll be coming to website, we can see palm icon. And if I'll click over here, I'll be diverted to website. And our target over here is to convert the websites to text format. I'll select my whole data, Ctrl A or Command A. We'll go to Automate. We'll come to left hand side, All Scripts. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on Samples. Over here we get the option of Remove Hyperlinks from Sheet. I'll click on Run and just notice all the hyperlinks got removed and these hyperlinks got converted in text format. Let's move to next example. Create pivot table. We will see two examples of this. I'll select my whole data. We'll come to right hand side. We'll come down and we'll click on Generate a Sales Summary. Let's increase the size. And over here we can see Generate a Sales Summary using pivot tables. I'll click over here. We'll reduce the size and we'll click on Run. New sheet got inserted and we can see our pivot table. Let's go back to our data. We will see one more example of this. I'll select my whole data and will press Ctrl T. Small window will pop up, create table, and I'll do OK. And my data got converted in a table. We'll go on top, table styles. I'll select light one. We'll go to table tab and we'll remove filter button. I'll leave my data selected. We'll come to right hand side. We'll come back. We'll take this on top. We'll increase the size. Let's increase the size a little bit more. I'll come down. Over here we get the option of create a new pivot table from a table. I'll click on run. New sheet got inserted. Let's close this. And my pivot table got inserted along with slicer and my graph. We can do the changes as per our requirement. Even we can change the color or design. We'll go to design and we'll change the color. On the right hand side, we can see pivot table fields. So we can do the changes as per our requirement. Let's close this. Let's go back to our data and let's move to next example. Automate task. I have got data of 4 months, January, February, March and April. And the data is not in a proper format. Even I want total at the bottom, means total of sales amount at the bottom. I'll click anywhere inside my data. We'll go to Automate tab. This time I'll be going to New Script. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on Record Actions. Over here we can see recording. Now whatever steps we are going to follow, all the things will be recorded. So I'll select my data from top to bottom. We'll select one extra row for total. We'll go to Home tab. We'll remove cell color. We'll do as no fill. We'll change the text color as black. We'll create borders over here. In some places we can see bold. I'll remove bold. Whatever steps we are following, it's getting recorded on the right hand side. Now I'll go on top. We'll select my headers and we'll change the cell color. We'll change the font color. We'll come to the bottom. This will be total. Now over here I'll insert my formula and the formula will be plus or equal to sum. Bracket open. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll align this in center. We'll click on total and we'll select total amount also. And we'll change the cell color as well as font color. We'll make this bold by pressing Ctrl B or Command B. I'll select headers and we'll make it bold. Ctrl B or Command B. We'll click on Jan. We'll come to right hand side. And from here, I'll click on stop. New script got recorded. I'll click on the script and we'll rename this formatting. We'll click outside. Now let's close this. We'll go to the month of February. We'll click anywhere inside my data. We'll go to automate. And this time I'll be going to all scripts. In recent, we can see formatting. I'll click on run. My data got formatted. Let's go to March. This time I'll click outside my data. We'll go to formatting and we'll click on run. And our data got formatted very properly. It seems that while recording the steps, I haven't removed italic font. Only reason we are able to see italic. No worries, let's go to April. I'll click over here and we'll click on run. And our data got formatted very properly. Let's close this. So these were the few examples to automate the task without recording macros with inbuilt feature. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can.